Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Bobo, one-stop machine solution with high-quality products. Today we will bring you a collection of Bobo machinery and equipment, especially the applications and features of shrinking machines and other specialized equipment. First, let's take a look at the shrinking machine. Shrinking machine is a kind of equipment used for processing plastic and metal materials, which can effectively reduce the diameter of the material. It plays an important role in the packaging industry and manufacturing. Now, let's take a look at the working process of the shrinking machine. We start by placing the material to be processed in the mold. Then the machine is started and the power system begins to operate, applying pressure. The whole process usually takes a few seconds to a few minutes, and through compression, the desired shape is finally formed. Next, we will show the vulcanizing machine. Vulcanizing machines are mainly used in the vulcanization process of rubber, where heat and pressure are used to cause a chemical reaction in the rubber material, thus increasing its strength and durability. We have our own factory and R&D center focusing on the heat exchange industry. Our main products include pipe processing equipment, ventilation duct equipment, and so on. These machines are indispensable in modern industry and are used with remarkable effect, which can improve the production efficiency and reduce the labor cost for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy this video compilation. Bobo, dedicated to providing you with the best quality machines. Remember to subscribe to our channel or leave a comment below if you have any questions about these machines or would like more information. See you in the next installment.